Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Finance. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies from a Payeer account. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in into your Payeer account and also the crypto exchange or crypto wallet where you are going to be transferring the cryptocurrencies from. So in my case, I've already logged in into my Payeer account and I've also logged in into my Binance account. So I'm going to be transferring the cryptocurrencies from my Binance account to my Payeer account. So the next thing that you need to do is to come to your Payeer account. You can see the balance over here, there's only 90 cents. So what you need to do here is to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit into your Payeer account. In this video, I will deposit USDT into my Payeer account to just show you as an example. So all what you need to do is to come to the cryptocurrency that you have chosen. In my case, it is USDT, and come and press on deposit. So over here, you can see that I've been provided with two crypto wallet addresses. The first one, which is using the Tron network and the Ethereum network. So we are going to use the Tron network because it is just way more cheap compared to the Ethereum network. So I will go ahead and copy like this wallet address over here. Once you are done copying your crypto wallet address, all what you need to do is to go to your crypto exchange where you are going to be transferring your cryptocurrencies from. In my case, I'll be using Binance. So I just need to go to my Binance account. Then here in Binance, I just need to come and press on withdraw. Then you need to choose the coin you want to withdraw over here. So I just need to come and press on it. So in my case, I want to withdraw from my USDT balance. So I just need to come and choose USDT. Once you have chosen the coin, the next thing that you need to do is to come and enter the crypto address over here. So I just need to come and paste the crypto address in here. Then after entering your address, you just need to come and choose the crypto network you want to use over here. So you can see that we are using the Tron TRC20. When you come over here, you can see that it is TRC20. You have to make sure that you are using the same crypto network. Otherwise, you might end up losing your cryptocurrencies. So I will go ahead and choose Tron, like the TRC20 network. Once you have chosen the crypto network, the next thing that you need to do is to come and enter the amount you want to transfer over here. So I'll just be transferring $15. So I just need to enter the amount in here. Once you have entered the amount, you just need to come and press on withdraw. Here, you'll be able to see the details of the crypto withdrawal you are making. You can see that I'm going to receive $14.20 on my Payeer account. I'm going to be charged 80 cents for this transaction. Then you can see the crypto address over here, the network. Then you just need to confirm that all of these details are accurate. Once you have confirmed that everything is okay, you just need to come and press on continue. Then here you need to request for verification codes to confirm this withdrawal. So you just need to come and press on get code and also get code. So once you have entered the authentication codes, you just need to come and press on submit. Over here, you are just being told that your withdrawal request was submitted successfully. So you just need to come and press on complete. And when you come over wallet and come and press on fiat and spot, you will find that your balance has reduced, meaning that the cryptocurrency has been withdrawn successfully. So you just need to wait for about 5 minutes in order to receive the cryptocurrencies on your Payeer account. So I will go ahead and check my Payeer account if you have received the money. You can see that the balance now is around $15.11, and we just received $14.20 like on our USDT balance, meaning that the money has been deposited into this Payeer account successfully. Now at this point, allow me to show you how to withdraw cryptocurrencies from your Payeer account. So we are going to be withdrawing the cryptocurrencies from my Payeer account to my Binance account. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. To withdraw cryptocurrencies from your Payeer account, the first thing that you need to do is log in into your crypto exchange so that you can get the wallet address where you are going to withdraw the cryptocurrencies to. So in my case, I will have logged in into my Binance account. So all what I need to do is to come over here. So I want to withdraw money to my USDT balance. So all what I need to do is to come over the USDT and then come and press on deposit. Then over here, you just need to come and choose the crypto network. So I'm going to be using Tron. So I just need to come and press on it. It is TRC20. So you just need to come and press on it. Then what will happen, you are going to be provided with a crypto address. So I just need to copy this crypto address. Then once you have copied the crypto address, you just need to come back to your Payeer account. Then here in Payeer, you need to come, like here, I'm withdrawing from my USDT balance. So I just need to come and press under USDT. I just need to come and press on withdraw. Then here, all what you need to do is to come and paste the crypto wallet address in here. Then you have to make sure that the network is the same as the one which you chose, like in Binance. You have to make sure that the networks are the same. So you can see that I'm using the same network. Then here, you just need to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw from your Payeer account. So I'm going to be withdrawing the entire amount, which is 14.20. So you can see that here, I'm going to be withdrawing 14.20, then I'm going to be receiving 12.7 on my Binance account. So all what I need to do is to come and press on send. Then you will have this small tab pop up just thanking you for using Payeer. So you can just go ahead and cancel. And you can see that my balance over here is now like 90 cents. So like I've been able to withdraw the 14.20 from my Payeer account to my Binance account. So all what I need to do is to go to my Binance account to check to see if I've received like the cryptocurrencies. I'm supposed to receive like 12.7. So I will go ahead and come to my Binance account and check. So to do that, you just need to come over wallet and then come and press on fiat and spot. You can see that the balance now is $13.49, meaning that the money has been deposited into my Binance account successfully. So this is how you deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies from your Payeer account successfully. I just hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this one from me in the future, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.